Selling crypto can be risky if you don't know the right steps. Let me show you how to do it safely on Binance P2P. First, open your Binance app and go to the P2P trading tab. Make sure you've completed all KYC verification for security. Choose the crypto you want to sell and select Sell. Pick a buyer with a high completion rate and good reviews. Avoid new or suspicious accounts. Set your price or choose market price. Always double check the terms to ensure you're not underpricing your crypto. Confirm the trade. The buyer will send the money to your bank account or selected method. Do not release the crypto until you've confirmed payment. Once the payment is confirmed, release the crypto. Binance will hold it in escrow until both sides confirm, keeping you protected from scams. And that's it. Follow these steps and you can sell your crypto on Binance P2P safely. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.